Yes, I'm over today at my dad's shop. It's where we do most of the motor work. Mainly right now we're doing the Gen 5 LTs. Every once in a while we still do a old LS3 build, but the Gen 5s or LTs are a little bit more popular right now. They make a little bit more power stock. But this is his 65 C10. We got a 6.2 in it, Texas speed cam, LS3 intake with adapter. Today we're gonna be welding on some, doing some welding on some bungs on some speed engineering headers for it, making sure they little test fit and everything. I believe he's got an 8-speed transmission that's in this one now. And but yeah, that's kind of what we do. A little hobby, like to tinker, can't sit still type thing. You know, we just work on motors a lot. So we got 3 5.3s back here and a bunch of parts. We're gonna be putting these up on stands here pretty soon, getting them going. So what we got here is a L86 6.2. It's got the bigger Texas speed cam in it. It's got the CVF front runner kit on it. It's getting ready to go out the door for a, this one's getting, I think, a LT4 supercharger on it. It's got the Circle D stall because it's got the bigger cam. So we're about to put the transmission on, get the headers on it, finish up a couple things on it, and get it in the truck and get it down there. All right, we're back. This is as far as we can go on this one. We got the transmission bolted up with that Circle D converter. Got the headers on it. We're missing a couple pieces for this front end kit. It gets a cover plate goes here on the water pump. But this one's going down to Swap King for a little bit more work anyway. He'll be putting a blower on this one, LT4 blower. But yeah, that's your 6.2 liter LT, 8-speed transmission. It's Texas speed cam. It's got some, I don't know if you can see them, it's got some ARP bolts here on the heads. That'll be a pretty stout little piece. But yeah, this one's heading out the door. We got 3 more in the back. We got to get on stands and start figuring out what we're going to do with those. So this one's in for a repaint, kind of a rebuild. It was put together previously, but it was never sold. So we're gonna strip it down. It's already got most of the stuff off of it. I'm gonna pop the fuel rails off and the coils here in a second and get it ready so my dad can paint it. I said this one's I think it's gonna be repainted a silver, kind of a nickel color. So I'll set y'all up over here and y'all can see what it takes to strip one down. It don't take long. So it's got the fuel rails off, coils off, knock sensors are out. Just took the spark plugs out, but we're gonna leave them in. That way when we paint, we don't get any paint down in there.
Those other two 5.3s?
Yeah, they're both 5.3s. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, this one came in pretty much already kind of stripped down. Usually they don't come in like this, but we got these other two. These are brand new, both 5.3s. So need a lot of parts for them still. So these will be a long-term deal. They'll be sitting here for a while. So we'll have other ones come in and out, and these will still be here. But yeah, that's about it.